हाय एवरीवन, मैं मीनाक्षी अग्रवाल। मैं देवदीति फाउंडेशन के साथ पिछले 4 सालों से जुड़ी हुई हूँ। देवदीति फाउंडेशन बहुत सारे फील्ड्स में काम कर रही है। हमारी फाउंडर सपना दी और वंदना दी ने इसको साड़ी को प्रमोट करने के लिए स्टार्ट किया था। आज वो साड़ी के साथ साथ और भी बहुत सारे फील्ड्स में काम कर रही हैं, जैसे देवदीति ह्यूमैनिटेरियन बैंक, जिसमें हम नीडी लोगों की हेल्प करते हैं। और हम एनवायरनमेंट के प्रति भी बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे ट्री प्लांटेशन।
तू थोड़ी आवाज कम कर बेटा।
और हम लोग अपने कैसे वेस्ट को मैनेज करें ये भी लर्न कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर। देवदीति फाउंडेशन अवॉइड करता है यूज ऑफ प्लास्टिक। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, हमारी सपना दी की बुक है अनलीश द शक्ति विद इन। इस टाइटल का मतलब है अपने अंदर की शक्ति को बाहर लाना। वो इस टाइटल को प्रत्यक्ष रूप में भी पूरा कर रही हैं, जैसे कि कभी हमें स्टेज पे परफॉर्मेंस करवाकर हमारा डर निकालती हैं, या फिर जैसे कि मेरे को आज पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का मौका देकर इस तरह भी हमें डर निकालती हैं। आज मैं पिछले 20 सालों से बिजनेस कर रही हूँ, लेकिन इस तरह किसी प्रोग्राम को प्रेजेंट करने का मौका मुझे मिला तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं हिचक थी, लेकिन देवदीति फाउंडेशन की वजह से आज मेरी वो हिच भी निकल गई है। ये सब क्या है? वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के ही तो तरीके हैं। अब मैं हमारे गेस्ट को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए आवादी को आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी। आवादी, ओवर टू यू।
थैंक यू सो मच मीनाक्षी। नमस्कार, आप सभी का देवदीति की इस ऑनगोइंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सीरीज में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। अभी मीनाक्षी ने इतना अच्छा बोला, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू मीनाक्षी। वाकई ये एम्पावरमेंट है कि हम अपने we can overcome ourselves, that we can overcome our limitations. That is what empowerment actually means more than anything else. So you have done a great job, Meenakshi. Thumbs up. All right, so now to start with today's transformation series ongoing. It's a great occasion what we are going through. Today कैसे टाइम निकल गया पता ही नहीं चला इस जर्नी में, और बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत एम्पावर्ड, बहुत अच्छे लोग, बहुत स्पेशलिस्ट हमारे साथ जुड़ते चले गए। ये कारवां बढ़ता चला गया और आज हम इस 68 नंबर सीरीज पर भी आ गए हैं, which is so beautiful. I'm so proud of all our Devditis and all our guest speakers. You know, you've done a great job. तो आज की इस कड़ी में हमारे साथ जुड़ने जा रही हैं the very beautiful, the very talented Poonam Batra. Poonam Batra is heading the Department of Interior Designing in INSE, South Delhi. She was not by choice an interior designer. She wanted to be a CA, but जिंदगी ने इनको ऐसे एक मोड़ पे एक ऐसा खूबसूरत मुकाम दिया कि ये इंटीरियर डिजाइनर बन गई और आज दिल्ली की एक लीडिंग इंटीरियर डिजाइनर मानी जाती हैं। तो इससे पहले कि मैं उनको हैंड ओवर कर दूं, मैं उनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहती हूँ और ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम अपने आप को तो ट्रांसफॉर्म कर ही रहे हैं, कैसे हम पूनम जी से कुछ सीख के अपने घरों को, अपने लिविंग स्पेस को हम और ब्यूटीफुल और पॉजिटिव एनर्जी से भर सकते हैं। तो आज हम वो सीखने जा रहे हैं पूनम बत्रा से। पूनम जी, ओवर टू यू।
हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप आप सब सेफ हैं और घर में अपने बिल्कुल सुरक्षित हैं। So it is so wonderful to be hosting this informative session with all of you. I am really happy that ladies like you are really during this time. So before I start and take over to interior design, I just want to show you a small clipping about International School of Design. Just 2-3 minutes. I hope आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं?
Yes.
पूनम जी, जो आप ये स्लाइड्स दिखा रही है, तो इनके बारे में कुछ बताइए भी, तो बोलिए तो सही।
This is again a Vastu course class.
पूनम जी, आई थिंक आपका स्क्रीन शेयरिंग स्टॉप हो गया है.
Yes, the video for INST introduction is stopped. I just wanted to tell all of you that we were working very hard to give students what you call as empowerment. And even after the lockdown, we did not stop, not even for a week. We kept going. So by introducing that, getting back to our own topic. So that is
I think the
interior
network
design
issue
next
there.
step for you, and I really feel yeah, you can't hear me.
Poonam ji, you're breaking in between. Actually, we were not. There was no clarity in your voice. You were breaking in between. So
Okay,
if
let
you
me
can be a
just
little,
shift a little.
yeah.
No. Okay, I have tried to settle myself close to the Wi-Fi. I hope I'm better now.
Yeah, this is much better. Yeah,
All right.
definitely better.
Okay, so I was just talking about it that, you know, we try to give learning and nothing can stop us. Learning should always continue. So that's what we believe in INST South Delhi. So coming back to our topic, let's start with the interior design. Okay, so I think, let's start with like what all of you think design is. See, I would like all of you to keep writing. The moment I'll ask you a question, keep writing in the chat box so that I keep getting your responses. Because if everybody will speak, I will not be able to concentrate. Is that okay? Everybody knows how to use chat box? Okay, so we all know what design is. We all have been talking about design since our childhood. You know, ये design, वो design, fabric का design, dress का design, room का design, cushion का design. So आपके हिसाब से कौन सी ऐसी 3 चीजें हैं जो डिजाइन में इन्वॉल्व होनी चाहिए? मतलब अगर मैं किसी इंटीरियर डिजाइनर को बुलाती हूँ, तो what 3 points you would like that designer to accomplish? आप क्या चाहते हैं कि वो जो डिजाइनर है वो कौन सी 3 चीजें, you know, like for example, you can ask him aesthetics, comfort. So just write down quickly in the chat box. I will have to stop here. Join it from this. Okay, so light, color, comfort, wonderful. Space management, Colorado shape, harmony, style. Anything else? Functional, perfect. Coordinated, very nice. Stop it. Don't do it. It's coming in. House interior reflect the personality of person. Wonderful. That's so true. Easy to maintain. livable. Yes, easy to maintain. So, okay. So, yes, whatever all of your writing is true. If a design is not functional, it is not a good design. If a design is not aesthetically pleasing, it is not a good design. So I'm just quickly going to read from my PPT that design is a process of imagining and planning the creation of objects using lines, shape, form, rhythm, also balance. You know, this is just a basic introduction. We all know that we create designs with the shapes, form, line, and that is how we are going to create it. And the purpose of interior design is creating something for the purpose. Every room has a purpose, and everything has a function to accomplish. So we should always keep that in our mind. अपने दिमाग में इस बात को जरूर रखना चाहिए कि जो भी चीज हम कर रहे हैं वो कौन सा पर्पस सॉल्व करती है. सो इस चीज को कंसिडर करते हुए ही हमें डिजाइन करना चाहिए. और प्रोबेबली आई विल ऐड कि डिजाइन जो होता है ना वो हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन है. लाइक मुझे मेरे घर में पानी सुबह शाम 2 बार आता है. सो आई नीड टू हैव अ कंटेनर वेयर आई कैन फिल इट एंड दैट इज इजी टू एक्सेस. सो दैट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट आई कैन हैव a container with a tap so that it is easy to use. So design is what? Design is actually functional, a different possibility. So probably I made a small couch and I made some small drawers underneath it. Why? Because I wanted to keep my cushion covers there. So that was another storage possibility. So design has to have function, utility, and yes, of course, aesthetic feel. क्योंकि देखने में सुंदर नहीं होगा तो डिजाइन नहीं लगेगा. So let's continue with our first point. First point is you have to measure your room. So I think I'll have to start sharing again because this has stopped. Let me just go back. Okay, so this is your first step. See, इंटीरियर डिजाइन का मतलब ये होता है कि आपको समझना है कि हर चीज, हर स्पेस का एक मेजरमेंट है, एक नाप है. जैसे हम ड्रेस बनाना चाहते हैं तो हम टेलर के पास जाते हैं टू गिव आवर मेजरमेंट. ठीक उसी तरह एवरी स्पेस हैज अ मेजरमेंट which we really need to understand before placing anything. So you really have to measure. Simple measurement, length, width, height. कोई दरवाजा और खिड़की है तो उसकी मेजरमेंट, क्योंकि किसी खिड़की के आगे आप कोई टॉल ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं रख सकते और दरवाजे का अपना एक मूवमेंट होता है खुलने का. सो उस जगह पर हम कुछ नहीं रख सकते. सो हमारे पास एक बेसिक 1 लाइन स्केच होना चाहिए जिसमें मेजरमेंट होनी चाहिए, सो दैट मुझे पता हो कि मैं किस किस मेजरमेंट का सामान वहां पर रख सकती हूँ. So that I know. So this is a very simple step. That is step 1. Let's go to step 2. Now step 2 is you have to decide your key activities. Like for example, आप लोग फटाफट चैट बॉक्स पे लिखिए कि आपके बेडरूम में ऐसी कौन सी 3 चीजें हैं, कौन सी एक्टिविटी है जो आप परफॉर्म करते हैं, जो उसका फंक्शन है, जो वहां पर होना ही चाहिए. लाइक वन एग्जाम्पल इज बेड. बेडरूम है तो सोने के लिए बेड चाहिए. So you can write more activities. What would you like to do in bedroom? Quickly write in the chat box. Wardrobe, yes. Light storage, dressing, reading, TV, side tables, clothes. See, so you know how to actually create your brief. So this is what I was trying to tell you. Even if it is your balcony, you have to decide the brief. What all I want to do in this balcony. I only want to keep the plants and only want to stand in the evening. शाम को सिर्फ खड़े होके बाहर देखना है या मुझे बाहर बैठना है. So मुझे वहाँ पे थोड़ी सी sitting arrange करनी है. Maybe a small table I can place there. और bedroom में probably मुझे अपना work table चाहिए क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पर काम भी करना चाहती हूँ. Maybe एक study corner चाहिए, एक sofa चाहिए. So write down the brief of the room you aim to design. और हर एक का brief अपना होता है. Everybody have distinctive requirements. हर किसी का अपना एक brief होता है. So whether you're designing it for yourself or for somebody else, अपने लिए बनाएंगे या अपने बच्चों के लिए बनाएंगे या किसी और के लिए बनाएंगे. Need fresh air, yes. But that comes in structure, right? So you need to have windows and doors for that. So, and what are the key activities in that area? So आपको सोने के लिए जगह चाहिए तो बेड चाहिए, तो smaller furniture नहीं चलेगा. आपको बेड चाहिए प्रॉपर सोने के लिए. What is the purpose of that room? So purpose ये है कि that is your personal den. You want to go inside. आप आराम करना चाहते हैं. That should be your place. So एक comfort भी होना चाहिए. What kind of mood you would like to create? Now bedroom is a very, very personal thing. So okay, so quickly write in the chat box, what kind of mood would you like in your bedroom? A very lively, colorful, zen kind, very peaceful, very noisy, a lot of pictures. So you can write in the chat box. Peaceful, yes. Height of the bed. Privacy, family feeling, wonderful. So all of you know what I'm talking about here. So आप लोग तो perfect हैं. Step 2 is done. अब आपके brief के हिसाब से you have to decide आपका furniture क्या होगा. किसी ने mention किया कि bed की height. So bed की height क्या होगी आपके foot से लेके आपके knee तक. That is the height you kind of carry. Normal बिना measure किए ये तरीका होता है ये जानने का कि आपके लिए कौन सी height comfortable रहेगी. Right? Let's move to step number 3. I don't know why it is again and again going back. So step number 3 is you have to choose your style. Now I will give you a brief about few styles so that you can relate to it. कि styles कैसे हम करते हैं. So first one is traditional style. I am very sure all of you know what a traditional style is. हम जिस भी country में रहते हैं उसका जो सबसे पुराने तरीके की चीज चल रही होती है उसे भी traditional style कहते हैं. Can you write one point of Indian traditional style? What you will see and you will feel like that it's a Indian traditional style. Quickly write. Woodwork. Yes. Chula. Indo-West. Gujarati style. Yeah, that's Gujarati traditional. And similarly, Punjab ki side big different. Indo-West is not the traditional style. Indo-West is kind of a fusion. So second is contemporary. Contemporary वो होता है जो आजकल चल रहा है, जो latest trend में होता है, which keeps changing. So contemporary is straight, clean lines, generally lack of patterns. बिल्कुल straight होता है, ज़्यादा साफ सफाई संभालने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, और ज़्यादा हम उसमें texture और accessories. We kind of keep it very simple, straight line. जो आजकल मुझे लगता है is in trend. So third kind of style is transitional, which is a mix of contemporary and traditional. As you wrote down, Indo-West. So transitional is mix of traditional and contemporary. Warm, neutral colors. ज़्यादातर पुराने टाइम में ट्रेडिशनल समय में ज़्यादातर ब्राउन के टोन्स होते थे. हम ज़्यादातर लकड़ी का काम करते थे. अभी तो हम ब्लू भी कर लेते हैं फर्नीचर में. Antique finishes भी कर लेते हैं. So that is transitional. And then we have mid-century modern. Mid-century modern is style of 1950. Simple lines, graphic patterns, indoor vibes. I think I'll don't do it as screens, slide share. I will do it myself. Okay. So there are a few more. Industrial style. Can you quickly write in the chat industrial? As soon as you say industrial, you kind of get a feeling of what? एकदम दिमाग में क्या आता है जैसे ही हम कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज की बात करते हैं तो किस तरीके का फील आता है, कैसा मूड होता है? तो कोई एक एलिमेंट which you can say that factory workers, okay, it should not be loaded with stuff, straight line. Okay. Machine, I am talking about in terms of interiors. Rustic, yes, rustic it is. So when you see a lot of metal pipes, you know, raw brick which is coming, that kind of a feeling. So that is what wrought iron, yes. So industrial का मतलब होता है ज़्यादातर वेयर हाउसेस में हम ऐसे ही करते हैं, ब्रिक की फ्लोरिंग दे देते हैं ताकि वो हेवी ड्यूटी रहे, अगर सामान उठाना है रखना है भारी होता है. So it is more of metals, reclaimed wood, leather, cool color scheme. So that is what industrial is. And I think aajkal ke youngsters, like young boys, they really prefer to have an industrial kind of a look in their room. And then is coastal breeze. Coastal is like, as the name suggests, bahut sara safed, white, cream, blues, and natural fibers. जो हम ज़्यादातर foreign designs में देखते हैं, which are close to sea. Beach inspired decor, काफी सारे shells होते हैं, उस तरीके की चीजें होती हैं. That is what coastal style is. Then I have Zen style. Zen style is very, very peaceful, where you feel like you can sit and chant, you can sit and do prayers. And very light colors and very minimalistic. जितना जरूरी है बस उतना. Minimalistic का मतलब है कि जितना जरूरी है बस हमें उतना ही सामान चाहिए. मतलब एक कुर्सी चाहिए बैठने के लिए, एक टेबल चाहिए, एक दो कुफी रख दिया, that's it. इससे ज्यादा वो नहीं रखते हैं. So it is simple, clean, minimalistic, low profile furniture. जैसे हमारा पुराना सिंपल होता था ना, very low profile, जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा carving नहीं है, कुछ style added नहीं है, कुछ नहीं, very low profile. So it's like whenever you go to a chanting house or I think Lotus Temple also I visited once. So it was a feel that was very Zen kind. And then last but not the least, the style I am going to brief here is absolutely opposite of Zen. It is Bohemian. Anybody knows what a Bohemian style is? Any idea? Can you write it in the chat box? Okay. So Bohemian is, which is very, very colorful. You must have seen, you know, few people like very, very colorful, messy, bright colors, flower prints, and rich color schemes, rich palettes. So that is what Bohemian is. Now, the question is, how do I decide that what is my style? हम कैसे तय करेंगे कि मेरा style क्या है? Yes, vibrant colors हम use करते हैं. That is what Bohemian is. So all of you can define what is your style. There can be 1,000 more styles. You know, I have just given you a brief of basic, the initial starting point of it. मैं अपने तरीके का style create कर सकती हूँ. I can fuse two styles together and try to create my own. So आप लोग कैसे decide करेंगे कि आपका style क्या है? So my tip to you is go to your wardrobe and try to look what kind of dresses you wear. आप जैसी dresses पहनते हैं, जैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं, जिस तरीके का arrangement आपके आसपास अभी है, that is what is your style. आप लोग एक बार look around, see, think about it कि आपके पास कौन से तरीके के कपड़े ज़्यादा हैं. Western style ज़्यादा है, straight cut है, traditional है, embroidered है, या बहुत ही, you know, khadi type and beige colors and that kind of things you like, or maybe you like white and blue more. So you can decide what is your style. Quickly write your style. Please write it in the chat box. I would like to see if you can, you know, define your style. Traditional clothes, so it's a traditional style. You like more of Indianism in your style, Zen, or the colors in straight line, mixture of both, white and blue. Perfect. Yeah. So this is the key point. You have measured your room. Now you know the space. You can feel the space. Normally हम जब इंटीरियर करते हैं तो हम मेजरमेंट के बाद we go to the place, वहां पर हम ब्रीद इन करते हैं स्पेस को, हम उसे फील करते हैं 2 बार 3 बार जाके, you know, उसके बाद आपको फील आने लग जाता है कि इतने एरिया में आप क्या क्या चीजें रख सकते हैं. So you've measured it and you have understood that how you have to make a brief. Making a brief is not difficult. Any room and every room you will understand. Now, third point is you have to find your style. You actually have to. कभी-कभी क्या होता है, जैसे मैं Instagram पे I follow few DIY and some interior designers. So sometimes when I look at the picture, I really like it. It was full of vibrant colors and stuff. But when I come to think of doing it at my home, I feel that probably for longer period of time मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगी. मतलब मेरे आसपास इतने सारे colors होंगे हर समय. Maybe for a change, I'm liking it. So 1 or 2 styles I really like industrial and wrought iron stuff. I really, kind of started liking it. So what I tried to do, so that's again another tip. So you have to define your style. आपने अपना style सोच लिया. So tip ये है कि जब भी आपको कोई style अच्छा लगता है, picture जो भी चीज, so आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं यार bohemian is looking very nice. Probably अभी mood है, अभी सब कुछ पेल है, so वो colors, freshness, flowers सब अच्छे लग रहे हैं. So आप क्या कीजिए, जो भी style आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, just bring in 2 or 3 material of that. Maybe add 1 or 2 accessories. Maybe add only the curtain part and try to see. Please try to see that how you're feeling living in that environment. After that, if you feel that, yeah, it is giving me a good kind of a feel. So after that, what you can do, you can actually decide, yeah, that this is what I was trying to tell you is ki when you actually bring in the stuff, the kind of things you liked in a picture, because a number of time when we click a picture, we create a picture beautiful to look beautiful in the camera for the Instagram pic. But when I have to live in here, जब मुझे वहाँ रहना है 24 घंटा सुबह से शाम तक, I need to have colors and materials and styles what I like. So till this time everything is going good. सब समझ में आ गया? Please give me a thumbs up in the chat.
पूनम जी रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, अगर ये स्क्रीन आप शेयर का काम खत्म हो गया तो we would like to see more of you than the screen.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll show you the slide and then I'll come back to the screen.
If you're over with this slide, I think you're over with this slide.
This slide is fine, but I have few more. I have to give you all the steps.
Okay, and then it's fine.
In the end, yes, I'm going to talk to you for many things. Because I again have to give you, so I'm going to the next step now, which is step 4. So you have to decide your color. So आप सबको पता है कि colors जो होते हैं वो कितने important होते हैं हमारे लिए. हम सबके लिए colors are very very important. कि एकदम सफेद walls पे, घर पे, जैसे ही आप कुछ add करते हैं, colors add करते हैं, like a black and white picture, I like many of them, maybe few shades of gray and black. But a colorful picture is colorful picture. So colors shows our personalities. Colors हमारी personality को depict करते हैं, right? Colors का अपना एक effect होता है हमारे mood पे. Like in summer times, you would not like to enter into a room which is too dark, black, dark purple. You want to feel good. They affect your mood. Colors can alter perceptions. Colors make room appear finished. Colors होते ही ऐसा लगता है कि okay, the decor is done. Now color, we all are aware of color wheel. आप सभी ने color wheel देखा होगा. और color wheel सबसे अच्छा तरीका होता है हमारे किसी भी तरीके के color schemes को decide करने के लिए, right? Color wheel आपको memorize करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत आराम से Google पे और सब जगह available है. So complementary color schemes are those which complement each other, which sits opposites. Split complementary जो एक की बिल्कुल opposite है, उसके साथ वाले दोनों. I hope I'm making it clear to you. Okay, so these center, you can see these center colors are primary colors, and then when we mix these two colors, we make the secondary color. So in this color wheel, two colors which are sitting opposite to each other are complementary color schemes. They complement each other, but usually they are very bright. Split complementary, if one is red and the opposite two tones of green, is going to be split complementary. And so this is the way you can create a color scheme. You can even create a triangle, so that becomes a triangle color scheme. You can create a square, that becomes a square color scheme. And I personally love monochromatic, which is different tones and shades of one color. So I can pick one color and I can use different shades and tones of that color. Okay, now colors and color schemes you've understood, but how to choose colors? So for a beginner, जब हम बिल्कुल start कर रहे हैं, so there is a rule of 60-30-10, which is a timeless rule. So to start with, you can go by 60-30-10 rule. I'll tell you what 60-30-10 is. 60% is going to be the neutral. 60% is going to be the neutral. Neutral colors like, आप मेरे room में देख सकते हैं, all my walls, maybe my wardrobe, which is covering the most part of it. जो जिसे हम फिक्स्ड चीजें भी कहते हैं कि आपकी वॉल्स हैं सारी जो मेजर एरिया है, सो उसमें आप न्यूट्रल कलर यूज करते हैं. न्यूट्रल होते हैं ब्लैक, ग्रे, बेजेस एक्सेट्रा, समथिंग जिसके साथ जब आप कोई और कलर प्ले करते हैं तो वो बैलेंस होता है. सो 50% इज योर नेक्स्ट कलर, सेकेंडरी कलर. So how will you choose your secondary color? Secondary color basically comprises of all your hard surfaces. Hard surfaces like bed, table, furniture, majorly जो वहाँ पर आ रहा है. So you can decide your 30%, and 10% can be a neon, a vibrant, you know, something to add a punk of it. So as you can see in the picture, so they have added blue as a 10% thing. 30% is all your beiges, pine color, and white is the main neutral. So am I clear with color? Everybody understood? Everybody understood the color thing, so I can switch to lights. Yes. So let us understand. Step number 5 is lighting. Lighting plays a beautiful role in your house. You know, whatever you have done, if you're adding fairy lights, few lampshades, and few task lighting, so it creates a different kind of drama in your house. So for lighting, what you have to do is you have to understand that there are 3 kinds of lighting. Ambient lighting provides equal distribution, even overall light. That is one major light in your room जो पूरे room को light up करता है. That is your ambient lighting. बहुत पुराने समय से अगर हम बात करें तो जो हमारे कमरों में ट्यूब लाइट लगी होती थी, that is our ambient light. जैसे ही वो आप जलाएंगे पूरा room lit हो जाएगा and you can do your work. Accent lighting creates different focal point, improves aesthetics, intensity of light. Something like a lampshade, right? Drama create करता है, but पूरा room lit नहीं करता है, एक specific area को lit करता है. So that is what accent light is. Task lighting is used to perform specific tasks. जैसे आपकी study table पर एक छोटा सा lamp होता है, तो जब आप पढ़ रहे हैं वो particular task है वही होगा. जैसे आपकी पिक्चर लाइटिंग होती है, पिक्चर के एकदम ऊपर लगी हुई, वो आपके रूम को लिट नहीं करती है, वो सिर्फ पिक्चर के ऊपर लाइट आती है. दैट इज व्हाट टास्क लाइटिंग. एंड अ गुड टिप इज दैट ऑलवेज लेयर योर लाइट. आपके कमरों में ये तीनों लाइट्स होनी चाहिए. अलग अलग फंक्शन पे अलग अलग तरीके की चीजें इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. मतलब यू नो, इफ यू डू नॉट वांट एम्बिएंट लाइटिंग, यू कैन स्विच इट ऑफ. बट बाकी की जगहों पर जब कोई फंक्शन है, कोई पार्टी है, एक्सेंट लाइटिंग, टास्क लाइटिंग कंबाइंड, so we need to have. So the next picture here, is actually a perfect example of all three lights. The squares you see at the top of the picture are the ambient lighting. The lamps you see by the side of bed are accent light. And then at the left corner above the TV, what you see is a task light. So I hope I'm clear about step 5, that is lighting. So I can move to next. Okay, so now these were 5 steps for the basic one, which you're going to keep as in your mind when you're doing. Now I'm going to give you another 5 steps where we are playing, which is like really going to make a difference during the lockdown. So I would like to say why this lockdown is going to lower our spirits. Why not to rearrange? Why not to try a different placement in the room now that we have time and now we have understanding also. So now you have kept in your mind what kind of color schemes and what kind of lighting you're going to use. So now what you can do is start by rearranging your furniture. We are not going out, हम बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, market में shopping नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो जो भी हमारे पास है, हम उसी को interchange करते हैं. Maybe change the placement of your bed. Maybe interchange the poofies. जो bedroom में है उसे बाहर ले आते हैं, जो बाहर है उसे अंदर ले आते हैं. It will take some time. थोड़ा परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशंस हमें ट्राई करने पड़ेंगे, लेकिन आई थिंक हो जाएगा. कहीं ना कुछ हम कर पाएंगे. मे बी हम रंग्स चेंज कर देंगे, मे बी हम सेंटर टेबल चेंज कर देंगे, साइड टेबल्स चेंज कर देंगे. बट इवन व्हेन आई से सो, कभी कभी रूम्स में पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं होती है अरेंजमेंट चेंज करने की. So don't worry, we'll be going to the next steps and we will understand by that more. So this is what I was trying to tell you. You can try different kind of, like maybe dining table vertically lagaya to horizontally laga ke try kar lete hain. Maybe for a week you can keep it like that. So let's change it a little. So rearrangement of your furniture happens like that. So step 7. Now play with your cushions. This is something we all can do. There are so many videos available. You can take a fabric and just tie it at the back and create a new cushion cover for you. You don't even have to sew it. Just tie it up. So how to do that? So you can create a theme and build your creation. When it comes to cushion, we play with multiple cushions. You can create a theme, or you can mix and match. You can mix and match different textures and sizes. Bada chota, right? So mix and match textures and shapes. आप shapes भी different कर सकते हैं. Maybe the center one can be a longer one, and or center one can be a circle, or maybe 2 square, 1 circle, or maybe 2 circles in 1 square. And you can even play with the shapes and sizes. Pair your cushions. एक दूसरे के साथ pair करके देखेंगे. Like in this arrangement, you can see they all are different. So they have played with size also, the textures also. हर एक का texture अलग है. So you just have to keep them together and be bold and play with. So this is a general guide, and I would say a tip is this, that start from the bigger from the outside. सोफे के साइडों पर बड़ा लगाएंगे, फिर उससे छोटा, and center में हम सबसे छोटा या different shape लगा सकते हैं. So that is one thing, and keep it symmetrical on the end and something different in the middle. So that is the tip I would like to give. In 7 pillow arrangement, if we are placing 7 pillows on our sofa, 2 patterns लगा सकते हैं, 2 plain, 1 accent, मतलब center वाला. You can even have all of them different. This is just one of the example that how you can do it. So is it okay? Should I proceed to next step? Okay, so step 8 is accessorize. Now accessories play a very major role. बहुत सारा ड्रामा हम क्रिएट करते हैं जब हम 4-5 चीजों को पेयर करते हैं, right? So accessories क्या होता है कि it's like dressing up. When you have created a dress and after that you're adding those tiny laces, maybe a small bow, or maybe a decorative button, maybe something, So that is what accessories do in our interior decor systems. We can create dramas and accessories. I'm just going to give you 5 essential accessories which you need to have. So one is the vertical accessories. Vertical accessories जो tall होती हैं, जो लंबी होती हैं. So ये सारी आपके पास होंगी. Then I'll tell you how to play with them. So vertical accessories mean maybe a long lamp, a tall vase, tall candles, maybe lanterns. आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं lanterns. Something horizontal like decorative trays, stack of books, and decorative boxes. We even decorate, like in the picture you can see here, हमने यहाँ पे books रखी हैं. That is something horizontal. So all these 2 things are, and a variety of decoratives in the sense you can have hexagonal shapes, different shapes, maybe a curvy wooden thing, maybe something just a showpiece, maybe something which looks like flower. So variety of the first 3 are mandatory, you need to have. After that, the next 2 is optional, and after that also I have 2 which I'm going to tell you, because that I have not written, because that is not mandatory. And then comes the 4th one, which is plants, flowers, candles, something which is living, that will light up your area. Something living always adds life to the area, always add warmth. आप जैसे ही एक अच्छा सा green पौधा रखते हैं, कहीं पर भी warmth निकल के आती है. So that is what you do. Last is layer or leaner. Layer is something which is horizontal that you can keep on the table. Maybe a trays, books, anything which you're keeping, or maybe a rug which you're keeping horizontally on the surface. Leaner is something जो हम दीवार पर लगाते हैं. Paintings हो गया, या जो हम photo frames सिर्फ wall के साथ lean करके रख देते हैं. So that is what. So these are the 5 essential accessories we need. Now, how to use these accessories? I would like to tell you here. So there is a rule of 3. So whenever you're confused, आपको लगे कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, always pair it with 3. Pair it with 3. Like you need to have 3 accessories at one part. Table decor में भी दोनों corners पे you can place 3. So this is when in doubt कि कैसे organize करना है, कैसे रखना है. सिर्फ एक चीज ध्यान में रखनी है कि जब हम rule of 3 कर रहे हैं, उनकी height same नहीं होनी चाहिए. Like in both the pictures you can see the height varies. So the tallest, the medium, and the lower. And I'll tell you why we need different heights. Okay, we need different heights because this is how we create our accessories look visually very beautiful. We try to create a triangle. So when I'm trying to place accessory, I need to have a tall thing, then the medium height, and then the lower height. And that is how I can create a triangle, which you can see in the picture. And I'm going to stop share the screen for a while so that I can show you what I have here. So I'm going to show you 3 accessories what I have. This is a lantern. I am trying to pair it up with this wooden pineapple, what I have. I'll tell you why I'm doing what I'm trying to convey here. And then I have a Buddha statue. Now, these are 3 different heights. Can you see it full? Yeah. So this is made up of metal, white in color, right? This is a wooden base, but the top is metal. So somewhere down the line, the textures are combining with each other. This is wooden. And this is a different thing altogether. This is again metal, but देखने में ये बिल्कुल ceramic जैसा लग रहा है. So this is how you can mix. This is a different texture. I can feel it. This is a different texture. This is a different texture. This is how you mix up. And when you place them together, can you see it? अगर इसकी बजाय मैं 4 चीजें या 3 चीजें एक जैसी रख दूंगी जो एक जैसे हाइट की है, मे बी वो दे दो, बॉक्स भी दे दो. So if I am going to keep it like this will not create that kind of a interesting visual, right? So what I can do is to create height, I have this small box. I don't know किस चीज का है, so I can create height, right? So this is how you can layer it up and change the heights of your accessories and do it. Now to do that, you can have bases, different kind of bases you can have. किसी भी चीज के होते हैं हम रख लेते हैं. Or maybe you just get those Amazon boxes, small size, and I have this leftover wallpaper. Itna sa piece hai. So you can cover it with this nicely. So that will create a base. Or you can have candle stands. So you can create height. That's how. It is not necessary कि आपको 3 size की चीजें ही खरीदनी है. You can create bases, stands, and you can create different 3 heights. So am I clear on visual triangle and a rule of 3? Good. So, okay, let's share it again. Okay. So my step 9 is, as I said, go green. Please bring in the planters. All of us have some or the other plants, and in the picture here I'm showing you, you can have different kind of base. You can even have a tokery. Place them in the tokery and they look very, very stylish. Plants always add warmth to your house, to your room, and it always brings in that freshness, that liveliness. Yes, of course, they also give you oxygen. So that is something we're going to get. But along with that, so there are snake plants, there are different indoor plants, and you have many people who can guide you. Even the nursery person can guide you. Nursery jiski paudon ki nursery jo hoti hai. Now step 10, which I really like, is DIY. Please DIY. Please create things what you already have. Create a new thing. So a few of my favorite in the DIY. First is like lamps. Create lamps. Just add rope. रस्सी आपको मिल जाएगी, Amazon deliver कर रहा है, नहीं तो किसी चीज की बची होती है, कुछ भी. Or else you can have laces. किसी ड्रेस में से निकल के आई है, या हमारे पास है, या लेफ्ट ओवर है, so कहीं पर वो ऐड कर दिया. Or maybe you can add fabric to it. Maybe any old sari or suit. You really like the print of it, but you don't want to use it as a dress. So what you can do is, right? So what you can do is you can add fabric, or you can paint your lamp. गंदा हो गया, मैला हो गया, पुराने से पड़ा है, ऑफ वाइट है, let's paint it, let's do something else. ये तो plain paint दिखा रहे हैं पिक्चर में, but you can do the shading. You can make it pink, white, do the shading. Or there are many stencils available. अगर आपके घर में बच्चे हैं, आर्ट करते हैं, तो उन्हीं के पास काफी सारे stencils आपको मिल पाएंगे. नहीं तो आप उसे पेंट कीजिए, आलू पे अपना स्टैम्प बनाइए and then paint it. ठीक है, टेम्पररी होगा, 15 दिन, 20 दिन, महीना, 2 महीना, जब तक वो क्लैरिटी से चलेगा, नहीं तो फिर अगेन विल पेंट इट. सो लैम्प एड्स a lot of style statement to your decor. So that is a part of lighting also. That's what I told you. Now in DIY, the next picture says that DIY your own artwork. Now in the right side picture, what you can see is normal cardboard है. हम बहुत सारा सामान बाहर से order करें, we're not going, so we get a lot of cartons. Of course, use sanitizer, sanitize them. Cut a circle, just go outside and bring in the fresh leaves. Just make a wreath. जो circle बनता है सुंदर सा, maybe you can add flowers, paper flowers, and just hang it at the entrance of your room. Maybe you can make some quotation kind of a thing in the center and attach it with that. Welcome, stay safe, social distancing, or something like that. And maybe in the center picture, you can see these are all dry sticks, you know, which you can collect from your park, your garden. You don't have to meet anyone. किसी से मिलना नहीं है, सिर्फ बुलाना है, sanitize करना है, और उसको अपने किसी भी frame को खाली करके. I'll show you one of my frame जो मैंने खाली किया है. Show me the photo. So, ये मेरा frame है जो मेरे पास मतलब इसका glass break हो गया था, so it was kept there. So I had kept it. I thought I'll do chalk paint on it, and if the chalk paint will come out beautiful, I will not place anything in the center. Okay, I'll stop share and I will try to show it to you. Okay, so this is the frame. So if you do a nice beautiful chalk paint here, and even if you hang a small bell in the center, कोई भी bell जो आपके पास है, या you know, you can create something with the paper. So this will look nice. Or else beautifully painted khali frame will also look very, very beautiful, right? And other than this, what you can do is create anything on paper or fabric, or just have a beautiful fabric if you don't want to make an art. So this is a hoop. We all know this, right? So put a beautiful fabric, place it inside, stick it. That's what we did at our institute also. I think in one of the picture it was there. And multiple. This comes very cheap. Iski koi cost nahi hai, but this looks beautiful. So you can make a nice thick paper पे अपनी या canvas पे अपनी कोई भी painting बना सकते हैं. आपको frame कराने की जरूरत नहीं है. इसके अंदर लगाइए and hang it. You can do embroidery also on the with the thread and place it. So there are multiple ideas, you know, you can do. Thank you so much. And I would like to still show you a few more pictures.
Poonam ji, if you can answer people questions. We have a lot of questions in the chat box.
I will. I'm just coming. It's just the last 1 or 2 slides which are left.
Okay.
So this is one idea. This is something, you know, the ideas I have given pictures to is something I love it, and I'm going to tell you a few more. So this is, you can decide. The first picture is just placing with the masala only the tile. He's just placing it there. Adhesives भी आते हैं. आप adhesive से भी अपनी tiles, beautiful tiles चिपका सकते हैं. Center में क्या है कि मंडाला stencils हैं जो उन्होंने रख के सिर्फ उसको पेंट कर दिया. The right side picture is map था, बहुत बड़ा एक word map था, तो उसको paste करके they've created a very classic and traditional kind of table. So now I can stop share, but I don't want to stop talking. I can keep on and on and on and on. So what you can do is with this hoop kind of thing or hoopla what you have. If you have a net sari, just create a nice canopy, hang it at the top of your bed and create a canopy at the fairy lights. Why not to make every day special? This is our den, our area, this is our place, and most of our time we are going to spend here. Can you give some good ideas for elderly's room? So first of all, again, I said go back to the step 1, measure the area, make a brief. अब यहाँ पर brief आपको ये बनाना पड़ेगा कि उनका comfort zone क्या है, उनको बैठना उठना, उनका movement, उनका pattern क्या है, because you know with elderlies it's different. Like one of my client had Nani ji at home, she could not see, so हम उनके वो वॉल पकड़ के चलती थी, तो हम उनके आई लेवल के हिसाब से सारी वॉल हैंगिंग्स लगाते थे, राइट? So you just have to create a brief for elderlies first. Have a nice decent color scheme, very very pastel like bright colors, you know, so that then you can add. And can you be more specific? Can you give some ideas? Okay, anything else? Ask me the questions now.
Anybody wants to put a question?
Has a question?
किसी को कुछ पूछना है before we wind up? I don't think so.
They can raise hand in the chat for the questions.
I don't see anybody, Srajana. So, can you see anybody?
Two things. या तो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से समझा दिया है कि अब किसी को कुछ पूछना नहीं है, या मैंने कुछ भी interesting नहीं बताया है कि okay fine finish it off. So I really don't know how it was.
नहीं, it was very nice, Poonam ji. On behalf.
Poonam, I think you explained very well, but
I think there's a time also. It's already 5.
कह रहे थे.
Yeah. So on behalf of Devditi Foundation, I thank you very much. बहुत अच्छा आज का सेशन था and very knowledgeable, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हमें पता हैं पर हम इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते, क्योंकि अपनी एक्सपीरियंस से हमें इतना पता चल चुका है कि ये हमारे को यहाँ कंफर्ट है, ये कलर अच्छा लगता है, नहीं लगता. But to combine all these things together, it was really nice you having. And किसी को भी कुछ पूछना है, पूनम जी का नंबर सजना प्लीज शेयर कर दीजिए आप chat box में,
please.
And
sorry Vandana, I don't have Poonam ji's number. Poonam ji, you'll have to write your number yourself. I have Charu ji's number. I don't have Poonam ji's number.
Okay. And
it's one and the same thing. मैम का नंबर है, मेरा एक ही बात है.
Okay, let me share.
मैं आभा जी को थैंक यू करना चाह रही हूँ, उनकी वजह से we got you on the session as speaker.
Thank you so much.
And देवदीदी फाउंडेशन का नेक्स्ट सेशन है वेडनेसडे को. सी यू ऑल ऑन वेडनेसडे. अभी हमने अपना घर अच्छा बनाया, अब देखिए अपनी कायाकल्प भी सही करनी है. वेट लॉस के अलावा हमें अपनी डाइट का भी ख्याल रखना है. सो सी यू ऑन वेडनेसडे विद सोनम जैन at 4 p.m. Thank you. Namaste. See you all. Bye.
Thank you so much for inviting us. जाते जाते घर में छोले भटूरे बनाएंगे तो एक फुलकारी दुपट्टा डाइनिंग पे डालेंगे, थोड़ी सी ambience and then enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.